Good morning and welcome to another day with Just Lighting by JL Lighting. I'm Matt Kim. We're actually going to a local trade show here in Atlanta. Our headquarters here and based about 10 miles north of Atlanta in Berkeley Lake. And we're doing a trade show held by Independent Electrical Contractors Association, and it's gonna be in Marietta. Since it's close by and we wanna support our local economy, we're gonna be doing the trade show, bringing a few of our guys over there, bring a few samples, and we'll take you along for the journey, give you an idea of what it's like to do a smaller local trade show, see some of the interactions, and get a feel of what we are like out in the field. I'm Matt Kim. Thanks for watching the video. So typically when we do a trade show, we would take all our product, put it in a crate, ship it across the country, and have displays put up. But because this is a local trade show, and actually the show itself is only about 5 or 6 hours, we're loading everything into our truck, gonna take it over there, take some samples, take some displays, and just kind of get to know our electrical contractor community. So that's kind of the plan for today. Hope you enjoy the day. Let's go for the ride. Thanks, Gray Bar. Looks like y'all got a barbecue going. Appreciate you, buddy. We've arrived here at the Cobb Civic Center in Marietta, Georgia to support the Independent Electrical Contractors Association at the Power Show. And we've actually done something, I'm not sure if it's gonna work out or not work out yet. You guys will kind of talk about this at the end of the video, but we actually went away and sponsored the bar. If that's an effective marketing strategy or not, I don't know yet. We're gonna figure that out, but in the meantime, let's set up the booth and then walk around, kind of show what else we have here. Being next to the bar, I don't know, is that good or bad? Alright, so what we're going to show today at the show is our color tunable Magic Panel Pro and our Magic Troffer Tro. If you missed that video, we'll leave a link to it. Go check out this new product line, something that we're really excited about. We're showing it off here today. Also, a product that we haven't done any video on it yet, but we will as soon as we get back, which is a wireless, dimmable, and controllable high bay, and we'll talk about those applications after. Also, a lot of our commodity fixtures that we do that are really primed for this type of market here in Georgia, which is our high bays, different strip lights, vapor tights, area lights, parking lot lights, and as well as our hazardous location explosion proof C1D1 and C1D2 fixtures. That's what we're going to focus on today, just to give people a chance to see and explore our product line, as well as give them a wide variety of what we sell. At the show, and it's getting towards the end. People are starting to sit around a little bit. Traffic is slowing down, but if you've noticed, some booths are starting to get empty, and I don't know how I feel about that, because you've paid good money to be at this show. Like, what's wrong if you just stayed a couple extra hours? You never know what type of business you'll do. But to just pack up and leave because it's slow, I mean, look at this place. Does it look slow? It's not slow at all. There's no reason to pack up and go home. It really isn't. That's why you never will succeed if you're that guy. Stick around to the end. You know, you never know who you'll run into. Show ends at 7. Half the people are cleaning up. Never gonna sell anything. Going home early. We don't like quitters. That's it for us today. I think the show went really well. We had an opportunity to meet with a lot of new customers, potential customers, also able to put a face to the name of people that we've communicated via email or just over the phone. So it's always great to get out there, get out into the marketplace, get to know who you're working with. And fortunately, this show happened to be near where we currently work. Got some great opportunities. Super excited to get back, start calling the new leads. One more thing before we close out the video. The question that's looming over everyone's head is, was sponsoring the bar worth it? And I think it was, because we got an enormous amount of foot traffic. Actually, I think we were the busiest booth at the show. So just in that alone, as we know, social marketing, marketing in general is all about impressions. And we were able to get the most impressions there. If you have an opportunity, I say do it. Other than that, we had a great show. I'm Matt Kim, thanks for watching the video.